Dear people, I hope the color red and the sound E with this 320 Hz, it will help you to see the complementary color of red, which is green. I hope you can see it now when I touch my tune fork now. If you have a high sense, I can assure you, you can feel and see the color green shifting within red. I hope it will work for you now.